everyone, we just found this abandoned house on the side of the road, so just going to do a quick walk around. It's a bit empty, but I think we'll have a quick walk around and show you what's in here. So the curtains are still up anyway, some curtains there, but nature's definitely taken some of it back. It's a pretty empty house. We've got some snazzy wallpaper, and if you've been following the channel for a bit, you know I love a bit of snazzy wallpaper. And you don't know anything about this place, it's just on the side of the road, but that's an atmospheric window there. It does say this place is alarmed up and hidden CCTV cameras, but I don't think there are any. Look at the state of the place. I think if there were anyone watching this place, they'd take better care of it. Let's have a look, see what's through here. Nice floor. Fireplace. Someone's tried to start a fire in there recently. You can see where it's all black. It's like they've started doing something with this place, but then they've just ran out of money. It's the old thing. Isn't it? It's nice conservatory there. It's all come down. Very Last of Us, very Walking Dead. Let's see what's through here. Let's get some nice photos in here though, I think. As you can see on the door there. Alarm on. Okay. I don't think there's much of an alarm in here. Bit of an outhouse. Oh, it's an old thing there. Is that a furnace or something? I don't know. Cement mixer? Yeah, it's got to be a furnace on it or something. Yeah. If it's not a furnace and you know what it is, let us know in the comments. While you're there, evidence of the scene of the crime. Could solve the murder. Okay, let's walk through, see what's in the other rooms.
This is massive.
Oh, I forgot to say I'm with the Abandoned Prepper. I'll leave a link in the description. Make sure you go and check his channel out. Can't see in here because I haven't got my torch out. Like in him. Look, what have we got in here? It's a little outhouse pantry sort of thing. See the shelves there. Okay, let's keep going. Have you been upstairs? No? Some old stuff there in the corner. I don't know where Adam's gone, talking to myself. And there's the plugs. This won't be when they were working here, they've put that in, haven't they? Attached it to the fuse box there. Let's keep going, see what we can see. Downstairs bathroom. Sink here. Oh, peeling paint, lead-based paint. We love lead-based paint here at Welsh Urbex. Lovely. And you've got green. It's on theme with the bathroom. What else have we got? This wallpaper. Oh, yellow is that? Love it. So you try going up the stairs. Whoa, Christ. I have nightmares about things like this. Going upstairs and getting stuck. Or falling through the stairs. Stuff like that scares me. That's what this room was, but as you can see it's empty. Some nice tiles left though. Keep going. Blair Witch house this, very Blair Witchy. Bit of wallpaper, more snaz. Still upstairs. This is still part of our road trip down south. It is still 30 degrees here. I'm dying. Oh. Fireplace there. Keep going. Snazzy wallpaper, more snazzy wallpaper. There's the bottom floor, the ground floor. Oh, a pink room. I like a bit of pink. Whoa, this floor just sank a little bit underneath my feet. Whoa, look up there. It's a wasp's nest. You can hear them and all. Awesome. Don't want to mess with them. Okay, let's check the other rooms. What have we got? Fireplace, snazzy wallpaper, and wardrobe there. I don't know anything about this place, so obviously someone owns it, because and there's the other room. The floor's a bit dangerous in this one. A wasp nest on the floor there. Right.
Great big basement.
Is there?
Yeah.
Is it worth it?
Have a look in.
Yeah.
That building next door,
yeah,
it's got loads of stuff in, but you can't get in it.
Right. Go and check it out.
There's an old AGA oven down there that's been took apart in the basement.
Where'd you find the basement?
Not there.
You went down that?
Creepy.
Renting in it?
Yeah, not really.
No. Where's the quick look though, innit?
Yeah.
Well, just came down these stairs on the outside. Found the basement. Tell you what, it's nice and cool in here. It's lovely in here. Oh. Whoa, fuck, there's a bat. Alright, I'm gone. Okay, there's a fucking big bat there. Okay. There's big bats in the basement. Okay, you can see a room going through there. And fireplace. I don't really want to mess with bats, so I'm gone. Oop. Let's have a look around the outside. There's the outside of it. Spider. Pretty cool. Let's go and have a look over here. See if there's anything worth having a look this way. See anything in this window? Can't really see anything. Nice. Okay, we're in here. All the stuff in here. Firewood. Loads of stuff. I think it's firewood, it's just chopped down trees, isn't it? Let's have a look, see what else is in there. This is in his little outhouse, or her little outhouse. Cows. Moon boots. Very Napoleon Dynamite. Yeah, we're in here. I think there's much in here, is there really? There's a old goalpost there. Old printer over there. And fire. Yeah. Right, I think we've seen what what there is to see in here and what there is to see in the house. Okay guys, bit of a short one. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next one. See you later.